Welcome to another review in the car. Today I'm trying the McDonald's International Heist Menu Chicken Teriyaki Sandwich. Let's see what this looks like. It's off the menu from Japan. Ooh, that looks messy. You can see that in there. Maybe if I take the... Oh man, I'm glad I got napkins, because that has a lot of sauce. I think this is gonna be really good. Has mayo on the bottom too, I think. But man, what a mess. That's really good. I'm gonna give the points right now. 8 out of 10. Teriyaki chicken. I'd get that again. That's really good. The tangy teriyaki sauce. A little bit of mayo on the bottom, the lettuce, the chicken. That's really good. Really good. Don't eat this while driving. You'll be wearing it. All right. Remember, always have your napkins ready. Ooh, what a mess. Sticky. All right. Try safe, and I'll see you on the next one.